Today's lesson is on how do we analyze equivalent expressions. Paul received a coupon for 43% off one item at a clothing store. Let B be the original price of the item. Use the expression B minus 0.43B for the new price of the item. Write an equivalent expression by combining like terms. Take a second to copy down the question. In this case, B is the original price, so let's grab the original price minus 0.43B, which is the discount. So when I combine like terms, there's an imaginary 1 here. So 1 minus 0.43 gives me 0.57B. So this is an equivalent expression to represent the situation. A landowner sold a plot of land. The sale decreased his total acreage by 12%. Let V be the original. That shouldn't say price. That should be the original acres. Write two expressions that represent the new acreage. Take a second to copy down the question. This is very similar to the previous problem, but we have to write both expressions. So we have our original acreage, and since it decreased, we're going to be subtracting by the 12%, so I can do the 12% or 0.12 times V. So that's one expression. My other expression would be when I combine like terms, there's an imaginary 1 here, so 1V minus 0.12V is 0.88V. So these are two expressions that represent the new acreage of the plot of land. And the last question. The manager of a store increases the price of a popular product by 5%. Let T be the original price of the product. Write two equivalent expressions to represent the new price of the product. And the second part, if the product originally was $12, what is the new price? Take a second to copy down the question. So they give us the variable. They tell us that T is the original price. He increases by 5%. So I have the original price T. Increase means I'm going to add. I'm going to turn my 5% into a decimal and multiply by my original price. So it's T plus 0.05T. Now to write my second expression, I would add those numbers up, and that would give me 1.05T. So these are two equivalent expressions to represent the new price of the product. Now, if the product was originally $24, what is the new price? So the original price is T. So that means T equals 24. I'm going to use both expressions to see if I get the same answer. 24 plus 0.5 times 24. 0.5 times 24 is 1.2. So I have 24 plus 1.2. When I add that up, I get 25.20. So it's $25.20. Now I'm going to use my other expression, 1.05T. 1.05 times 24. When I do 1.05 times 24, I end up with the same answer of $25.20. So the new price is $25.20.